Hi, welcome to this short video where I'm just going to run through how you actually go about creating SMS templates within the system. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is click on templates after you've gone to the settings section within the system. So you can do this via this card on the screen here, or on the side menu there's the templates option. So if you click on that, and then you've got the option to create a variety of different SMS or different template types. We're actually going to be looking at SMS templates today, so if you just click on SMS templates, and then you can see I've already got a number of pre-built ones within my system here, and I'm just going to click on add template. So you're going to give it a title. I'll just call it test template here, and then what you can do is you can actually go ahead and you can create or utilize a number of different placeholders within that. So if I was to say, you know, hi, and then I want to put in the patient's first name, or let's maybe go for their preferred name. The system, if you don't have a preferred name set within the system, then it will default to first name. So you can always utilize that. You know, hi patient, preferred name. You know, how are you going? Looking forward to seeing you at your appointment. And so what we will then do is we'll select the appointment type. So if it was, say, a re-examination consultation, so you could say looking forward to seeing you at your appointment type on, let's put in the day, such and such a day at appointment time, for example. And so that would be a very short text that I could use, and then I could maybe put in something like user thing. So if I was the one that was sending it, my name being Matthew, what it will do is it will put in Matthew into the SMS there. And so now I've created an SMS. You can see at the bottom here it has tells me how long this is going to be, and so it's going to use 1 SMS credit. Just remember that the length of the SMS will depend on how long these placeholders end up being. So if you've got a really short name like Tom, then it's going to be less than the number shown here, for example. Whereas if you had a really long name, for example, then that would take more credit. So it may actually vary from the approximation that is given to you here, but nonetheless that is hopefully useful. And then you're going to click save, and now that has been saved within the system, what we can then do is we can go back to the list of templates here, and if I decide I want to edit that again, I can just click edit and I can go back in and edit that. Now, for example, if I was in the diary here, what I could do is I could go to the appointment here, and I could click on that. I can then select send for an SMS, and I'm going to choose the test template there, and as you can see here it says, hi Matthew, how are you going? Looking forward to seeing you at your subsequent consultation on the 11th of November at 11 a.m. etc. And so if I now was to click send, it would go ahead and send that. So not only can you use these SMS templates here within SMSs that you're going to send in the system, but you can also use it with our bulk SMS tool, which you can click by selecting tools at the top here, then going to bulk SMS, and I could choose that template here. And now what I could then do is I could use that, and I'm going to do another video talking about the bulk SMS tool, but that just gives you a bit of an idea about how you might want to use a test temp or one of the templates within that video. Okay, so hopefully that's of use. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to get in touch with us via support. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video.